Hello student, today I will discuss method of substitution, that is a process of solving simultaneous linear equation. How to do this one? Method of substitution, that means from one equation we will find the value of one variable, and in the second equation we will put the value of this variable and we will get the value of other variable. In this way we will do the substitution method. Okay, let's try. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Okay, from equation number 1, we get 2x plus 3y equal to 9. That means suppose we are finding the value of y, 9 minus 2x, or y equal to 9 minus 2x by 3. This is the value of y. Look, we have expressed y in terms of x. I have expressed y in terms of x. Okay, now putting the value, now substituting the value of y in equation. Look, from the equation 1 we have got, so I will put it in equation 2. Equation 2. We get, what we are getting? 3x plus 4. What is y? Y is this one, 9 minus 2x. 3x plus 4y equal to 5. So we are getting 3 is the LCM, 3 is the 9x plus 36 minus 8x equal to 5. That means 9x minus ax plus 36 equal to 15, or x equal to 15 minus 36, or x equal to minus 21. X equal to minus 21. Right? Now, this is equation number 3. Okay. Now, we have got the value of x. Now putting the value of x. Now putting the value of x in equation 3. Y equation 3. So we'll get directly the value of y. So y equal to 9 minus 2 into x minus 21 by 3. This is, please check the calculation. No, it is okay. So we are getting 9 plus 42 by 3, that is 51 by 3, that is equal to 17. So answer, x equal to minus 21 and y equal to 17. This is the answer. Okay, now we go to the next one. Now we are doing this one, 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y by 4 is this one. Anything we can do. Here we will put the value of y at x at first. So from 1, 2x minus 3y by 4 equal to 3. So we get 2x equal to 3 plus 3y by 4. That means 2x equal to 4 LCM 12 plus 3y, or x equal to 3y plus 12 by 2 into 4. That means x equal to 3y plus 12 by 8. X equal to 3y plus 12 by 8. Okay. Now putting the value of x in equation 2, we get 5x, 5 into 3y plus 12 by 8, right? Minus 2y equal to 7. So 8 is the LCM, 5 into 3y 15y plus 5 into 12 60 minus 16y equal to 7. So we are getting 15y minus y plus 60 equal to 56. So minus y equal to 56 minus 60. So minus y equal to minus 4 That implies y equal to 4. Can you see it properly, student? Yes, y equal to 4. Now putting, this is equation 3. Now putting the value of y equal to 4 in equation 3. We get the value of x. 3 into 4 plus 12 by 8, 24 by 8, that is equal to 3. So what is answer? X equal to 3, y equal to 4. Clear? This is the answer. Look, this type of sum is given. We have to find the value of x and y by substitution method. If the mention is not stated, any method you can apply. Suppose it is given that you have to solve this by substitution method. Suppose in examination it is given. So I will not go for first equation. In this case I will go for second equation. From equation 2, x plus y equal to 2m, therefore y equal to 2m minus x. It is more easy. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, mx minus n, what is y? 2m minus x, right? Equal to m square plus n square. That means mx minus 2mn plus nx equal to m square plus n square. Or you can write mx plus nx equal to m square plus n square plus 2mn. So taking common x, we get m plus n because we have to find the value of x. So look, x into this form, so this will go, and that side we can find the value of x. This is m plus n whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So what we are getting? X equal to m plus n whole square by m plus n. That means x equal to m plus n. Because this is m plus n into m plus n. One m plus n will be cancelled. So x equal to m plus n. Now putting the value. This is equation 3. Now putting the value of x in equation 3. We get, what we are getting? Y equal to 2m minus x. That means y equal to 2m minus m plus n. So y equal to 2m minus m minus n, or y equal to m minus n. So answer, required solution, x equal to m plus n and y equal to m minus n. Okay. Look, this is another type of equation. Two equations are in fraction form. Okay. If it is asked any method, we can go for simple elimination, because adding this plus ybb minus ybb will be subtracted. That will be cancelled and we'll get the value of x. But here I am asked to do in substitution method. What will I do? From equation 2, x by a equal to y by b plus 4, or x by a equal to, b is the LCM, y plus 4b, or x equal to ay plus 4ab by b, right? Putting the value of, substituting, sorry, no, here you should write substituting the value. You don't write putting. In the last two sums most probably I have written putting. Write substituting. This is the keyword, substituting the value of x in equation 1. We get 2 by a into, what is x? X is ay plus 4ab by b plus y by b equal to 2. So ab is the LCM, 2ay plus 8ab plus ay equal to 2. That means 3ay plus 8ab equal to 2ab. 3ay equal to 2ab minus 8ab, or 3ay equal to minus 6ab, or y equal to minus 6ab by 3a. ये cancel, 3 cancel. So y equal to minus 2b. Y equal to minus 2b. Now putting the value of, here you can write putting the value of y in equation 3, we get x equal to a into minus 2b, because y is minus 2b, plus 4ab by b, that is minus 2ab plus 4ab by b, that is plus 2ab by b, that is equal to 2a. So what is answer? Answer x equal to 2a and y equal to minus 2b. This is the answer. Students, you can solve in any method. Okay, I will upload all the methods of this simultaneous linear equation. Mainly 3 methods I will upload. This is this one, cross multiplication, and the elimination method. Okay, in any way you can solve. Okay, in any way you can solve. But how to do this type of sums are creating problem, because it is a fraction. Many students, they are facing problems. That's why I have chosen this type of sums, so that you can watch the video again and again and you can understand, you can practice. Whenever you are practicing, pause the video, practice, then watch whether it is matching or not, and try to follow that. And in all the video I have told you that please check the calculation. Maybe some calculation error, but it is not. It is okay, 100% okay, because I have tested. How do you come to know that whether it is right or wrong? Put the value x equal to 2a and y equal to minus 2b here. Look, there is 2a to 4a by a, that is 4, and it is minus 2b by b, minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Here also you put x equal to 2a by a, that is 2, minus 2b by b, minus a plus 2 plus 2 4, that is, it is 100% right. Okay, so this is all for today. So hope you enjoy the video, and I think you can understand if you watch the video very carefully. Thank you, and thank you for watching.